Looking for a luxury watch that combines style and functionality? Allow us to introduce the TSAR BOMBA Men's Luxury Watch. This standout piece is not just a watch but a statement of elegance and practicality. This tonneau design waterproof clock stainless steel wristwatch is a featured brand, ready to be shipped within 72 hours. Already 134 units have found homes, all receiving glowing 5-star reviews from verified purchasers. Stay with us as we delve into the fine details of this extraordinary timepiece. First, let's talk about the heart of the watch, its movement. What makes this timepiece tick? It's the high-quality Japan-imported VK67 quartz movement with chronograph function. This isn't just a regular watch movement, it's renowned for its accuracy, stability, and long usage time. You can count on this watch to keep time faithfully without the worry of time errors. Now let's move on to the watch's face. The AR sapphire glass feature is a marvel in itself. It's not only high in hardness but also boasts excellent light permeability and low friction. It can endure high temperatures and offers more wear resistance than other glass types. So, you can rest assured your watch face stays unscathed no matter what. The added AR coating is a cherry on top, enabling clear viewing even under the glaring sun. But that's not all this watch has to offer. Who says luxury can't handle a bit of water? Let's dive into the TSAR BOMBA watch's 5 ATM waterproof feature. This is not your average timepiece. This is a watch that is unafraid of a little splash, a watch that thrives in the rain, and a watch that can accompany you on your swimming adventures. Whether you're caught in a downpour or simply enjoying a dip in the pool, the TSAR BOMBA is designed to handle it all. It's not just water resistant, it's waterproof up to 50 meters. And what about when the sun goes down? The TSAR BOMBA shines quite literally. With its A-level super luminous feature, this watch guarantees visibility, no matter how dark it gets. Its radiant glow ensures you'll always be able to tell time in low light conditions, making it a perfect companion for those late evening soirees or early morning jogs. And there you have it, a watch that is not just an accessory, but a statement of style and functionality. So why choose the TSAR BOMBA watch? Well, it's not just a timepiece, it's a statement. With its premier Japan-imported VK67 quartz movement, you're guaranteed precision. The AR sapphire glass ensures high durability and clear visibility, even under the sun. Dive into the water worry-free, thanks to its 50-meter water resistance. And let's not forget the A-level super luminous feature, lighting up your time in style. It's no wonder it's a crowd favorite with stellar customer reviews. Experience the perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability with the TSAR BOMBA watch.